it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at how you can actually earn money from this over here, being somebody's virtual friend. Now we can see down here, look, the volume for this, 3,600 people every single month are going ahead and typing into Google and YouTube and Bing or whichever search engine you're using. We've currently got around 3,600 people a month putting in this search term. So virtual friends are pretty much, in demand. There's over 3,500 people a month searching for this. And if we scroll further down the page here, you can also see other questions what people are asking online. So are virtual friends real friends? How can I get paid? This is when it piqued my interest. And then we've got lots more questions in here, and then you go through and find lots more. And down here, these are some other, you can see, long tail keywords which people are putting in on the search engine. So look, virtual friend games, get paid to be a virtual friend. We've got virtual friend apps on virtual friend online and lots more. So as it turns out from doing some research, yes, you can get paid to be someone's online virtual friend, and you can get paid in a number of ways. You can get paid for just listening to someone, you can get paid for having a conversation, you can even get paid for playing video games. And I shared a video, I think about 3 or 4 days ago on that method. So I'll drop that up on the screen somewhere if you want to earn money from playing video games. I'll drop that up on the screen for you. But either way, today we're going to look at a couple of websites where you can actually get paid to be someone's virtual friend online. And I say this all the time, if you are wanting to make money online and from home, whether it's a little bit of money or a lot, it's absolutely possible. Over on my blog here, I have got free courses. I've got a free affiliate marketing course, I've got a free YouTube course, and there's many more. You can find them all in the links down below. And literally, if you come over here and go to make money, you can do earn online, work from home, and there's also an interview series. But look, let's jump into today's video and I'll show you the websites and pretty much how all of this works. Okay, so this is the website we're looking at today, and also after we've covered this website, I'll share with you another way you can actually make money from this, because after doing a bit of research, I found a few different places where we can go down this route. But this is called Friend PC, and you can see we can book a virtual friend online. Now you might be wondering what for. So we've got for emotional support, someone to play video games with, boost your self-esteem, or just start a conversation about almost anything that you desire. And if we scroll down here, look, you can see we've got life coaches, virtual friend, a virtual gamer, and a virtual girlfriend if you wanted to go down that route. But we'll come down here and you can see we've got some featured accounts on here. So we've got over here a motivating mentor. Are you in a slump, not sure what direction to take? Look no further, because I will be your magical motivating mentor. So this person over here, they're charging $10 to $25 for this service here. We've got, what is this? A virtual friend, a fantastic friend, and we have a life coach over here. And if we just click along, you can see some more accounts on here and people who are offering the services. I liked this one over here. Want advice on something but scared to be judged or ask me or talk to me. I'll be there to give you the no bullshit, no filter advice. And you'll notice they're charging $50 for this. So to be a virtual friend, to give you the honest truth, they will charge you $50. This person over here, $10. What is this? Virtual girlfriend. I mean, $50 to $500. I dread to think what you'd get with that. And then we've got somebody over here who will be a virtual friend. So you can just click and, go through and have a look at some of these. But if we scroll further down the page here, it tells you, what is Friend PC. And basically, look, people, for whatever reason, they want to chat with someone online, play and basically have a bit of company. They can come over to this website here and they're paying for doing so. And if we scroll up here, I just want to show you this bit as well. So I went into virtual gamer. So there's people on here, basically they play, different games online, and you can pay them and they will, chat with you or maybe give you some tips and other bits on playing. Now they're not, sorry, let me just get rid of that. They're not offering a lot of money for this. So like this person here, look, what's this game? Fortnite, Rocket League, Minecraft, and many more. Look, we could play any PS4 game that is a multi-platform like Fortnite, Rocket League, etc., etc., and they're only charging $5 to $10. So they're not charging a lot of money, but they're earning some money from a pastime. In this example here, these gamers, they like playing games, so why not play with someone, chat to them, and earn a bit of money for doing so? And you can scroll down. I mean, look, it's not a lot of money, but they're earning money, so it's pretty decent in that respect. So there's lots of people in here. You can go ahead and have a look at different profiles and lots more. Now, if we come over here, let me just come back up here. So this here, look, this is how you become a virtual friend. So as a virtual friend, you can earn some extra cash whilst connecting with people. And if we scroll down the page here, there's a bit of information on here. It walks through this. So look, start your virtual journey today. And if I click on, where's the bit I want to show you? Oh, sorry, I want to come over to this bit here because it walks through all of the information that you need on here. There's a lot of questions in here, but there was a few that I wanted to highlight to you. So first of all, is Friend PC a dating site? Nope, it's not a dating site. A lot of virtual friends are happily married. So let me get rid of that. Come further on the page here. What do I do if... Oh no, let's come further. Hopefully no one will be hitting on you. Let's come further on the page here. Is there a Friend PC app? Not right now, but there's one coming. Come further on the page here. Let's go to... Where is it? What's the one I was looking for? How to post a listing. So basically, obviously, you would post a listing on here, and it walks through everything you need to know about creating a listing on the site. Come further on the page, it walks you, about do I get charged for texting clients? Basically, if you don't want to Zoom call somebody or speak on the phone, you can also chat with them via text messages, and it tells you how much you can, get paid and what you should and shouldn't be doing. It covers how do you get paid, what type of listing should I post, and I like this bit down here, who is my boss? If I click on there, on Friend PC, you are your own boss, you determine who you want your members to be, how much you want to charge, and when you want to work. So you can come over to this website over here. Let me just go back over here. It's called Friend PC. To sign up, you click on register, and it's literally, it's just a normal thing. So create an account, go through, answer the questions, and then basically you just put, whether you want to be, let me just get rid of this, you put whether you want to be, a friend, a virtual gamer, and other bits on here. So when I found out about this website, I thought, this sounds pretty interesting. I'm sure, this is a side hustle for many people in many different ways. So I went over to Fiverr here, and I just typed in virtual friend. And we can see there's currently 18 services available. And if I scroll down here, I mean, look at this. I will be your personal virtual assistant, friend, and something else, starting at £7.71. Another one, I will be your virtual inspirational friend and active listener. So, I mean, look, starting at £7. So if I click on here, we'll go in here, look. So for £7.71, I'm in the UK, so this is obviously UK pricing. But it's a voice call or a text for, or a text for 30 minutes, starting at this. If we click on standard, we're now up to an hour for £11, and then we click on premium, and look, we've got a voice call and text or a video call for 1 hour or less, coming in at £19.28. And if I come down here, you can find out a bit more of this. So look, I will help with a listening ear, relationships and dating coaching, second opinions, dealing with etc., etc. So you can come over to platforms like this one here called Fiverr.com, and you can be somebody's virtual friend online. And if I come back over here, let's just go back up to the top. So what you could do is you could go ahead. These are called gigs, by the way. So you could create and put up your own gig on here if you wanted to be someone's virtual friend. Now, if I take this a step further, let me just go on to search Google for a virtual friend. Get paid to be a virtual friend in 2021. So if I click on here, let me just click on accept, let me get rid of that, and we'll scroll down here, and look, get paid to be a virtual friend. Come further on the page here, look, we have got Rent a Friend, Friend PC, Freelancer, Fiverr, which we've just spoke about, Rent a Cyber Friend, and also Pen Pal. Well, it's not just this Friend PC website which will pay you. We've got all of these other options down here. And then it goes over how to be, how to stay safe. Because ultimately, whether, you go down any of these routes, you always want to make sure that you're staying safe online and offline, to be honest. So yeah, you can go ahead and check out, any one of these different websites. So if I go back up here, let's just go on Rent a Friend. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one here. Look, home, what is Rent a Friend, Find a Friend, etc. And look, people are using Rent a Friend for all kinds of activities. So we have got, what on earth have we got here? Friends with seniors, teaching manners, amusement parks. I don't even know what that would be. I'm guessing that would be, going out to an amusement park or something like that. But look, we're going off on a tangent here. Either way, what we've looked at today, you can use this website over here, this friendpc.com. You can come over to websites like Fiverr and put your listings up on here. You can look at this website over here. We've got Rent a Friend, Freelancer, Rent a Cyber Friend, Pen Pal World, and literally just go in, have a look, go through if you're interested in it, have a look at, the frequently asked questions and just go through. And, if you want to start making some money online, chatting with other people or playing video games on here or, being someone's life coach, then you can do this. One reason why I quite like this method is you get to determine your own work hours. If you don't want to work on specific days, you don't have to. And yeah, as you can see on here, people are offering services for this and they're making money for doing so. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.